Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama sambuddhassa. Gatha atthasatthiti satang metta vihariyo bhikkhu pasanno buddhassa sane Athikache patansantang sankharu pasamang sukhang. Gatha ekuna satatiti satang sinja bhikkhu imang nawang sitade lahume sati chitwa ragaja dosanja tatto nibbana mehisi. Gatha satatiti satang Panja chinte panja jahe panja jutari pavaye panja sangatiko bhikkhu okatinoti uchati. Gatha ekasatatiti satang chaya bhikkhu majapamato made kamakune pamasujitang ma loha kulang Gili pamato ma gandhi dukha mitandi daiha mano. Gatha dvisatatiti satang nati chanang apanyasa panya nati achayato yamhi chanang ja panyaja sawe nibbana santike. Gatha dvisatatiti satang Sunyagarang bhavithassa sanda cittassa bhikkhuno amanusi rati hoti samadhamang vipassato. Gatha chatudisatiti satang yatto samasati kanthanang udayapayang lapati Pitipa mokjang amatang tang vijanatang. Gatha panchatisatiti satang tatra yamadi bhavati itha panyassa bhikkhuno indriya kuti santuti badi mokhe ja sangvaro. Gatha chasatiti satang videphajasu kalyane Sutha jive atandite patisantara vutyassa ajara kusalo siya tato pa mokchapahulo dukkhasantang karisati. Stanza number 368. The monk who abides in universal love and is deeply devoted to the teaching of the Buddha attains the peace of Nibbana, the bliss of the cessation of all conditioned things. Stanza number 369. Empty this boat, O monk. Emptied, it will sail lightly. Rid of lust and hatred, you shall reach Nibbana. Stanza number 370. Cut off the five, abandon the five, and cultivate the five. The monk who has overcome the 5 bonds is called one who has crossed the flood. Stanza number 371. Meditate, O monk, do not be heedless. Let not your mind dwell on sensual pleasures. Heedless, do not swallow a red-hot iron ball, lest you cry when burning, "Oh, this is painful." Stanza number 372. There is no meditative concentration for him who lacks insight, and no insight for him who lacks meditative concentration. He in whom are found both meditative concentration and insight indeed, is close to Nibbana. Stanza number 373. The monk who has retired to a solitary abode and calmed his mind, who comprehends the Dhamma with insight, in him there arises a delight that transcends all human delights. Stanza number 374. Whenever he sees with insight the rise and fall of the aggregates, he is full of joy and happiness. To the discerning one, this reflects the deathless. Stanza number 375. Control of the senses, contentment, restraint according to the code of monastic discipline, these form the basis of holy life here for the wise monk. Stanza number 376. Let him associate with friends who are noble, energetic, and pure in life. Let him be cordial and refined in conduct. Thus, full of joy, he will make an end of suffering. 368.比丘若能於生活中施行慈悲，一心奉行佛法，將會證得涅槃，寂靜無為與安樂。369. 比丘吸空舟中的水，舟才可以行得快。同樣道理，斷除貪嗔，人才可以速證涅槃。370. 應斷除五下分結，捨棄五上分結，培育五根，以解脫五種束縛的比丘，才配稱是個已渡生死洪流的人。371. 比丘收集止觀吧，不可放逸啊！勿讓心意沉迷欲樂啊！勿因放逸而招致吞熱鐵丸之苦啊！在地獄被燒時，勿大喊，真的很苦啊！372. 無智慧者無定力，無定力者亦無智慧。具足定力與智慧的人，才可接近涅槃。373. 隱居靜處，收集止觀，令心安靜，如實知見正法的比丘，可體驗到非凡的喜悅。374. 每當洞悉五蘊生滅時，他必喜悅非常。對智者而言，那正是涅槃之道。375. 對有智比丘來說，開始修行時會：一、少欲，克制六根；二、知足，三守戒。376. 四、親近精進且生活清淨的善友。五、對人友善和行為端正，在常覺喜悅之下，很快便會滅盡苦惱。368. 比丘若能於生活中施行慈悲，一心奉行佛法，將會證得涅槃、寂靜無為與安樂。369. 比丘即空舟中的水，舟才可以行得快。同樣道理，斷除貪嗔，人才可以速證涅槃。370. 應斷除五下分結，捨棄五上分結，培育五根，以解脫五種束縛的比丘，才配稱是個已渡生死洪流的人。371. 比丘修習止觀吧，不可放逸啊！勿讓心意沉迷欲樂啊！勿因放逸而招致吞熱鐵丸之苦啊！在地獄被燒時，勿大喊，真的很苦啊！372. 无智慧者无定力，无定力者亦无智慧。具足定力与智慧的人，才可接近涅槃。373. 隐居静处，修习止观，令心安静，如实致见正法的比丘，可体验到非凡的喜悦。374，每当洞悉五蕴生灭时，他必喜悦非常。对智者而言，那正是涅槃之道。375，对有志比丘来说，开始修行时会：1. 少欲，克制六根； 2. 知足； 3. 守戒。376。4. 亲近精进且生活清净的善友。5. 对人友善和行为端正，在常觉喜悦之下，很快便会灭尽苦恼。Sijasumgya chukjure geba, gelong chamba la nishin, sange den la raptepe, duche chunam rapsiwe, shiwa dewe nyangde top. Sijasumgya chukjure goba, gelong chudi dongbarki, dongba dini yangwarjo, ducha shedang bangsuji, kuni nyangde topbarkyur. Sijasumgya dunjuba, ngani chujik ngani pong, ngani gebar kishitang, chingwa ngani rapjumbe, gelong chole gelwarju. Sijasumgya dunju tunjikba, pame maze, gomshik gelongge, semni duyun bela kormajuk, charil cawa mamik pame ba, siktu dungil dishe nguwahung. Sijasumgya dunju tunniba, Latong me la samden me la latong me, samden latong ni denba, nyangin debe chongtu ne. Sijasumgya dunju tunsumba, wenpar neshin semsiwe, gelong teyi chunam dok, miyi gawa le debe, gawa teni tela ge. Sijasumgya dunju tunsiba, pongbo geshin seba te, 통체 가데 강wargyur, lekne jebe kepala, dini chime nangwarchar. Sijasumgya dunju tungaba, wambo damshin chokshe den, gunbe timdar dombate, teni gelong kenamla, zangmara chowe shiru gyur. Sijasumgya dunju tunchukba, yarab sunden zangme cho, Tede choktang jokbarcha, semtan juba zangwarcha, te daragawe dungese.